Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Trade Confident. My name is Travis Martin. We're going to go over some very exciting things in today's video. I do think we could be seeing a turnaround on Ethereum very, very soon. Possibly today or the weekend, we could start heading back up, and I'm not just going to say that. I'm going to give you guys proof of it in the market. Real quick, I have a question for you guys who are subscribed over to tradeconfident.io. I want to add a new metric for us that literally could have been helping us gain money all along the way, like calling these dips, making money through here, making money through these profits. Here is my dilemma real quick. And if you guys are brand new, I think you guys will find this very, very good as well. So let me just cover this. I'm calling out live trades on the top 16 cryptocurrencies. Let me give you an example of one of them. One of them would be, we'll use Bitcoin. We could use Ethereum too. I give you guys the entries for the buy limits and the sell limits. Okay, here's the problem with this, is that I want to be able to give you guys entries when we were down here. Like I know I can't prove this to you guys, but once I show you this, you'll understand why. I could have given everybody profit on this move up here. Everybody. I could have given you guys profitable signals to get in down here and move up. But the problem is that on like a normal website, like I can't shove more data into one page. So you are having to wait 1 to 2 weeks before I can even make a second trade call on the website because I don't have any more room. So we could have taken profit. Literally, I could have given you guys setups all the way through here. So here is my proposal, is that I'm thinking of doing away with this style right here, and where I call one trade and give you guys updates and such like that, and moving it all over to this style right here. I will explain this in another video further, but this basically allows you to enter a trade any day, anytime, like literally right now. Like if you want to enter a trade right now, once I have this metric up on Matic, on Ethereum, on Bitcoin, anything, you could immediately enter the market, and it's a very good trade setup right now today, and I can show you that to you. So would you guys rather have me switch the whole website over to this, where you guys can take trade setups whenever you want, and then I literally show you the 4 buy limits that you have in your exchange, or the 4 yellow lines below the current price, and the first yellow line above is where your sell limit is, and then you can use the metrics to exit in the profit. It is so stinking simple, and it always shows you the best setup that I honestly would give hedge funds if they were to contact me and say, hey, I want the best setup right now. I'm giving it to you guys. They're all around like Fibonacci zones, resistance, support, all this stuff, quarters theory numbers. They're meticulously put in here. So would you guys like this? And if yes, I will go ahead and go back over to the live trades, and I will replace them with all the trades we have going over here. Now, the dilemma is, if you guys are in some of these trades, please let me know, and let me know how you would like me to manage that. If you guys want me to, email me, I can coach you through the trades that you're currently in, and we can move through that. But I'm so sorry to take a lot of time if you guys are brand new to this channel, but I can't, this is not financial advice, but I promise you guys, there are trades right now you really need to be taking in this market to take advantage of what this pump that I believe is going to start happening within the next 1 to 2 weeks. And I can call them for you guys right now, but I have to remove all of these trades in here to give ourselves room. Let me know, are you okay with it or are you not? And are you okay if I remove the trades that are currently live in here? Because if someone's in it, I want to leave it to keep it transparent and honest on this channel. But if nobody's in these trades right now, let me know, and I will switch them over so I can get you guys into profits on trades right now. I can't guarantee that, but watch this video. Let's dive in. Let me know in the comments, okay? Thank you so much. Watch this. For Ethereum in here, we are seeing a strong amount of divergence. Divergence is the strongest indicator signal that you guys can have on just normal indicators. I'm going to back this up with metrics as well today. So as the price structures move down and we start seeing this, we see well money flow moving strongly into the market. Like this is a huge sign we're going to start heading back up. This is a short-term move, but we'll look at this long-term move. As all of this price structure was moving down, we saw the well money flow steadily increasing, and then it could not take it any longer, and it skyrocketed here, and we're up 33%. This is what happens when money flows into the market while price structure is moving down. It cannot keep going down. This is why I do believe we are due for somewhat of a pump here in the next few days, maybe over the weekend, maybe 10 to 20%. It is strictly due to this divergence here. If you guys have this price versus well indicator, this is moving up. And again, I'm so sorry for this. I mentioned in the other video, the price versus the well money flow, the trend exhaustion, and the trend dashboard, they're all going up in price in 14 days. August 1st, they're all going up, so make sure you guys snag those, okay? Watch this as well. The trend exhaustion, if this thing comes out and watch the next few candles, if this starts moving back up, that is a second sign of divergence, which is usually historically where the price starts moving back up. All right, let me go over and prove this to you guys with metrics now over on Ethereum that I do think we could start seeing it move back up here right now as well. This is exciting, guys. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, these are going to update. Make sure you guys have your membership over to Trade Confident, and you guys will also have access to all of those trade calls that I'm about to come out with the new metric. Like, literally, you could take trades right now today. It has all your buy limits set in there, as a tutorial video and everything. This is going to make your membership so valuable. I promise you guys, okay? Emotional index, it's good before I up the prices that you guys get in here. Just going to say that to you right now. All right, so we are sitting in the fearful stage of Ethereum. This is historically where we see incredible pumps. We are moving down fast. If this metric updates today, guys, and we push down even further, all I got to say is, if you're watching this channel and you've got money on the side, this is not financial advice, but if you've got money on the side, this might be one of the best signals you can take on Ethereum the entire year, okay? Well, follow me down here. This is another good sign. I've been telling you guys to watch this. If short trades kept increasing, this was giving me more anxiety in the market for us not to head up, just like the emotional traders in here, okay? Nope, they are decreasing right now. Short trades are falling out of the market, and we are seeing that the long trades are still a little bit sideways here. If we get on the charts today, guys, and these metrics update, and this clicks down for the short trades and moves up for the long trades, this is very good news that we could start heading up for Ethereum. All right, long versus short trade risk. We are moving into the good long trade and possibly pushing down to the great long trade. This historically has called this pump, it called this pump, it called that pump, it called this pump. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has not been wrong for 4 times in a row. Could we be seeing the 5th time being correct? I do believe that is something we could see in the charts, guys. And look at this. Well, and institutional smart money. Last time we had this, a lot of volume up here, we shot up. We shot up right here. We shot up right there. We ended up moving up right here. Even these little movements in the chart right here, where we see a bunch of little long trade sentiment come into the market, we ended up shooting back up. And then over here, take a look at this. A lot of institutions in smart money buying shot the price up, shot the price up. What's happening right now? We see that they're all focused on the long trades, okay? I do believe Ethereum is due for a move up. Now, take a look at this. We are down. Let me get back to the chart here real quick. Sorry. Let's pull this over here. As far as support and resistance is, this is the line that I was looking at. It was right around 1,700, and I've been calling it like a broken record on here. I do think we could possibly still head down here, so let me be very clear about that. 1,700 is an incredibly strong support on the chart, and that is right down here. If we get there, all that will tell me is it will create a stronger divergence on the chart, which gives me even more confidence we're going to springboard back up, all right? And if you guys are following this, we just got a signal. Like, this is so exciting. Okay, the dollar cost average buys. This is now giving out a signal. The last 2 times this happened, we shot up very, very fast. And then you look at these 2 moments. Like, this is the same signal calculating the prices of all the markets to give you guys the best entries before we skyrocket back up. I'm not promising you guys it's going to head back up right now, but let's use historical data. This was pretty much the exact bottom before we shot up. The exact bottom before we shot up, overextended itself and shot right back up, shot up right here. Could we be seeing this as a perfect, like literally, could today be the perfect time you guys can enter into the market for Ethereum before we see a move back up? I believe that is possible, okay? And then if you guys want to exit, use this indicator. It called the drop here, called the drop here, called the drop here. Guys, all these metrics you get access to for all these cryptocurrencies over here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Cardano, VeChain, Ripple, Uniswap, Matic, like these are the ones that I honestly believe are just going to help you guys make money in the market, and we are in a current death cross. So let me share this article with you real quick, and then we're going to end this video. This is something I want you guys to see. The #1 trending article on all of Google for Ethereum news is this one right here, and it's by the Motley Fool. I'm not the biggest fan of them. I just want to talk about this because it is the #1 trending article. Why Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Ethereum crashed today. Okay, this was for yesterday, Thursday, okay? Dogecoin's co-founder says cryptocurrencies are shady business. I covered this on yesterday's video for Dogecoin, so we've already talked about, okay? The IRS agrees. I don't know if that's like the best statement to say there anyways. And it's ramping up efforts to tax cryptocurrencies traders' profits. Like, okay, can I just be honest with you guys on this? Like, this is ridiculous. Like, I want to be careful here because I don't want to like step on moral toes here with people who are watching this, but it's like, guys, just pay your taxes on crypto. Like, I don't know, like cryptocurrency is taxed as property. I don't know if you guys understand. Like, a few years past, they passed a law that the cryptocurrency was going to be taxed as property. Basically, here's how this works. If you guys make money in cryptocurrency, let's say you make $1,000 in cryptocurrency, it is then put on your books for your taxes and is taxed as income on your normal income taxed bracket, okay? If you guys want to come in here and trade and you hold it for long term, that's awesome. You get long-term capital gains. It's just simply income. Like, I don't know. I think the majority of the people out there are like, duh, we made money on crypto. We're going to report it. Like, we go to jobs when we get paid and we'll report our taxes there. But this like FUD these guys are pumping out is like kind of ridiculous of like, it's going to drop. The IRS is going to tax people. I'm like, dude, I've been paying taxes on my crypto, my stocks and Forex trades like my entire life. And I can probably say this strongly, most of you have too. So this is just like, it's kind of ridiculous how much this is being pumped out there. Anyways, let's go over here. I really strongly believe that we could see a move up here pretty soon on Ethereum. Divergence proves this, and I've never seen this setup down when getting this low on the fearful stage with the emotional index. Make sure you're watching this metric update over the weekend. I'm not coming out with videos the next 2 days, so watch this. This metric is so low right now. We also see this as a positive sign to move back up. We are seeing this as a positive sign to move back up. Institutions are buying this thing, and we're also getting a signal on here for possibly the best metric out there right now to call single bottoms of the market before we move back up. This is huge. So let me know if you guys want me to launch the metrics I was talking about to give you guys the entries for all of the Matic trades and such like that I showed you in the beginning. If you want, I will try to get those launched literally today or this weekend, and you can start taking trade setups today on Ethereum in the top 16 currencies for all of you who have a membership over at tradeconfident.io. It's $49 a month, guys, and I promise you I am upping that price for monthly because these new metrics are literally going to help you so much in the market to make trade calls and make money. I can't like just guarantee that because I know people are watching this at regulators or whatever, but entertainment purposes only, financial advice. I am strongly confident I can get you guys profiting here pretty fast if you guys are using the signals I'm about to come out with. But you need to let me know if I can go ahead and remove all these trades here. If someone's in it, I will honor you. I promise I will honor you guys. If people are in this trade, any of these trades in here, I will go ahead and work with you one-on-one. If the mass majority is like, Travis, get rid of these, get us into the best trades right now. You guys let me know, and I'll do that, okay? Have a good one. God bless you. Let me know in the comments what you want. Guys, get these indicators. They're going up in a few days. These are calling the pumps in the market. The pump got called right here. Calling the pumps in the market right here. Called the pump right here. Called the pump right there. This guy and this guy are the two that you really want. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye, guys.